So this is my favorite car in the shop this week. I'm a Hellcat guy. We've got a modified Hellcat here. Obviously, this gentleman takes it to the drag strip. Curious to see what it runs. We did paint protection film on the front of this. I believe we're ceramic coating it as well. Right beside that, we've got a Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. This belongs to our good friend Jamie. We're doing a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap on this, a ceramic coating as well as window tint, I believe. Behind that, we've got the flat glass fan. I forgot to mention, this is what's in the shop Wednesday, but today's Tuesday. And the reason we're doing this on Tuesday is because tomorrow we are starting setup for the Pittsburgh International Auto Show, and most of us in this building are going to be very busy with that. So that's why we're cleaning up the van. You guys can come see us at the David L. Lawrence Convention Center in Pittsburgh. Super awesome event. We're going to have some really great cars on display. You can talk to us and our team about some of the work that we do, see some live demos, and then there's other stuff that's happening, but you really want to come to see us. Right behind John is the BMW X5. This one's getting a ceramic coating.
It's all done.
Oh, it's done. This one's done with a ceramic coating, so that's exciting. It looks awesome. On the lift, you guys know this car already. Our friend, our business partner in the Miami store, Justin from Horsepower Obsessed. This is his ZR1. We were redoing some pieces on it. It's been a few years. Some of those lower parts are getting beat up. It's been here for a while because we're finally getting around to it before the auto show. So just finishing that up. I think it's the last piece, right? Cool. Acura MDX. This one got a ceramic coating. It's ready to go home. And then Aaron's ZL1. Finally done. Took him long enough. Just kidding. It's going to be at the auto show also. Absolutely gorgeous. Came out beautiful. This stuff is film. You won't believe me. I almost don't believe it. This is a carbon fiber paint protection film. So because it's PPF, it's as glossy as paint. It doesn't have an orange peel texture. And it's totally smooth, unlike some other carbon fiber materials on the market. It's awesome. This looks completely real. This is real. And even if you held them beside each other, I honestly don't think that you could tell a difference. So that's from UltraFit. Really cool product. Hey, Dean, you like being on a ladder? So me and Dean just got back from tinting a house, as well as Aaron, in another country, believe it or not. It was a really big house and a really cool house, and Dean had to go very, very high on some ladders to make some stuff happen, and so did Aaron. So
Definitely OSHA approved.
Oh yeah, it was definitely OSHA certified, even though I don't think they operate in other countries. So there's Terrell. He stopped getting a paycheck like 5 years ago. We don't even know why he's still here, but he's here. That's not true. We're kidding. We love Terrell. How many years have you been here?
7?
7 years. He's one of our tinters here at LATROBE. Here we have a Honda. We had to redo the windshield tint on this one because whoever was inspecting the car nicked it with a razor blade. So not our fault, although if it was, we would always stand behind our work because that's what we do. And beside the Equinox, we have the M8 that we vinyl wrapped a little bit ago. And it started to get some rock chips. So this is a black wrap on top of white paint. Therefore, if there is a rock chip, it becomes painfully obvious. And that's what was happening. The customer decided he wants to wrap the vinyl with stealth paint protection film. It's always good to see a vinyl wrap back after a couple of weeks. You get to see the edges, the corners, make sure everything is holding. And this one looks pretty darn good. So we're happy with that. Our trailer's gonna get a workout tomorrow. If you don't know, we trailer cars to and from the shop, especially this time of year. If you don't want to drive your Ferrari, we can trailer it here to get the paint protection film done. We have a Ram T-Rex. This one got some paint protection film on the lower parts of the doors and on the front of the bedsides, and I believe it's getting a coating next. I'm not sure if we tinted it while I was here. Sorry, I should know that, but I don't. I'm in and out a lot. And we have Max's Type R. Cool car, but if I was gonna make fun of Aaron, I have to make fun of Max, and you guys need to comment and let Max know that it's time to finally wrap his front bumper in stealth. It's glossy. It's not supposed to be. And right here we have a Ferrari 488. There were some pieces on this we were redoing. 1 or 2 pieces had some debris in it, and like I said, we always stand behind our work, so we took care of that for the customer. Ceramic coated those pieces, and now this car is gonna be in our booth at the auto show. So I've never seen a 488 this color. So if you haven't either, check it out in Pittsburgh in person. We've got the green Lambo up front. You guys are sick of seeing that at this point. We're not. We love looking at it. Let's see what's happening in Gibsonia.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Gibsonia. It is Wednesday. Let's check out what's going on here in the shop. Behind me, we got Mark doing his thing. As you can see, he has the wheel off the vehicle right now, cleaning up the wheel lining area. This is getting a number of services. This is getting the full front paint protection film package, along with our paint correction and 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up is a 2023 Tesla Model 3. This one is in for our full paint correction and 4-year ceramic coating package. The 2019 BMW 5 Series. This is from our good friend Steve. I believe this is vehicle number 7 that Steve has brought us for the same thing. Steve gets the track package paint protection film, window tint, and 4-year ceramic coating. Over here we got a Porsche Cayenne 2021. This one got our 10 mil paint protection film package. So same appearance as the standard 8 mil, but a bit more protection. So this got the 10 mil track package, paint correction, and 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the back, it's a Ferrari GTC4 Lusso. This was in the shop about 3 months ago for a full wrap and coating. This customer actually daily drives this vehicle, which is awesome. So all year round, he's driving this thing, rain or shine. He got a door ding on the back fender. Right here behind the door, someone opened their door in a parking lot and dented the panel. So we had some PDR done. He sent one of his guys out to do some PDR, got the dent popped out, and the paint was saved thanks to paint protection film. So all that's left to do is put a new piece on this, and it's as good as new, no body work. We have a 2023 Ford Lightning. This, of course, is the EV F-150. You can see on the front fender here, this is a completed panel. That's going to be a satin black finish. So that's panel number 1 of the entire vehicle. Come end of the week, this entire vehicle will be that satin black finish. Once we finish up with the full stealth wrap on this, we're going to be coating the entire vehicle, paint protection film and all, in our 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Outside is our second full wrap of the week. This one, a 2021 Audi S5. As you can see, there's a number of aftermarket accessory pieces on this vehicle, all of which we will be protecting in our 8 mil paint protection film, along with the rest of the body. We're also coating this in our XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Last but not least is this 2024 Huracan Technica. Our Miami shop did this vehicle about a month ago. It's back in our Pittsburgh shop this week to get some minor touch-up work done, and it's heading down to the David L. Lawrence Convention Center this weekend for the Pittsburgh Auto Show. So come check it out. We're going to be at the auto show on Friday and Saturday from 10 to 10, Sunday and Monday from 10 to 5. That is all for Gibsoni. Let's check in with the guys out in St. Louis.
Good morning. Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we have going on this week.
In the tent bay today, we have a 2024 Model S Plaid. Did a 20% wrap on it, and it's going to both look good and feel good for the summer coming up. Have a 2023 Corvette Z06 in the PPF bay, getting a full front clip. In the ceramic coating bay, we have a 2024 Chevy High Country, getting a 4-year coating, and Tyler's also cleaning up the interior a little bit, as well as, also in the middle of doing some paint correction on it.
And thank you for tuning in. We will see you next week.
What's going on, guys? Jeff here at Blackout Miami. It's Wednesday. You already know what time it is. Let's have a look and see what the guys are working on today. And over in our PPF station, we have this 2021 Lamborghini Urus. Customer is in for full front end protection. Also going to be doing ceramic on the interior of this vehicle. This vehicle actually has a really cool white leather interior, so they definitely want to protect that. If you have white interior like this, ceramic coating is the move. All right, over here we have a 2024 BMW X7. This customer came in for a full front end protection, full ceramic coating. Mari's just putting the finishing touches on the lower half of this bumper, as you can tell. It is looking good.
What's going on, guys? Fleck Last Man is here at the Pittsburgh International Auto Show, getting ready to set up for the event. We're starting to bring some cool cars in. We got the Fleck Last van behind me. Josh and Aaron just left with the trailer. There's a million things going on, not enough time to do it in. So come on down, talk to us, check out some cool cars, and hopefully we'll see you there.
Hi guys, I have both of my Corvettes here. Come down, check them out, and say hi to Blackout too. I mean, they're kind of in this thing.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in week after week. Our loyal viewers, we appreciate it very, very much. We will see you next week. And if you want to learn a little bit more about paint protection, check out this video.